Hello from Dreaming Angels Reborn. I have a giveaway gift here today from Yvonne. I love my Sweet Pea 79. And look how beautifully it's wrapped. It was wrapped and made by Pooh Bear. And I just love the little stickers. They're so cute. Little snail sticker, little butterfly sticker, and she had the envelope all decorated too. So let's see what's inside. I picked out the colors, but I have not seen it yet. Something very special. Oh, and there it is. My Londy Blossom, made by Pooh Bear 253. How pretty. I got to pick the stitch for the headband, and she went out and bought special bow. And Pooh Bear, I thank you. I would never have asked you to buy a special button, and I wasn't following instructions too well. And what a pretty Londy Blossom. And I can't wait to put that on one of my babies. Yvonne, I love my Sweet Pea 79. Thank you so much for this good giveaway. And I appreciate this nice prize. And Pooh Bear, you did a very nice job packaging it. And a very nice job making this beautiful Londy Blossom. So thank you both. God bless. Bye-bye.